This is the first time I'm doing a video like this. I'll be showing you my night care routine, the products I use to remove the makeup and to clean my face, and all what are serums and things I use. So let's start with the first product, and some of them I have been using for the first time for the last 2-3 months. So it's a sort of a review of those products as well. So first thing I am really loving is this Maybelline micellar water. It looks like water, but I don't know what, I don't read labels or anything, but what I know is that it is really good in taking up your makeup. So take a little bit here. I use it mainly to remove my eye and lip makeup, because those two places are the most sensitive place on your body, and a regular makeup remover, whether it's oil or cream, I've seen that they have very little effect, especially on my eye area. So there is this. The next thing I use is not this. Biotic Bio Almond Oil Makeup Remover. Again, it's an oil based one, so I have very dry skin and this does not dry it out. So what I do, I take a little bit, this much, in my hand, and I massage my face very properly. As you can see, all the gunks and everything starts to come out. So after that, I go to the bathroom and I sort of use a bit of water to emulsify it and to again thoroughly cleanse it. Then generally I use this one. This is a Bio Honey Gel, again from Biotic. But today I will be using this. This is Tavak Soya and Green Tea Hydrating Cleansing Foam. I just got it today. I unboxed it in a video which I shot a little earlier, and I'm interested in trying this out. So let's go. I clean my face with these, and this one has a very it did not come out liquid. I was thinking that it will be liquid, pale green liquidy thing that will come out, but it came out as a foam, like the foam that your husband has in a shaving foam thing. It just came out like a foam, but it really cleaned my face, as you can see. And most importantly, it did not dehydrate my skin. Even this is good. I'm not saying the gel is bad, but if in dry days I have little I can feel little dryness here and here when I use this gel, but today I am not feeling any dryness anywhere in my face. So I'll say this has been a good buy, but I'll be keeping it for now until I finish this. I'm not going to start that one. Next I'll be using, of course, the toner, and my current toner is this one. I have reviewed it in my Instagram, I think, and it's okay, but I'll not be buying it again. As I said, I don't like the smell. I just can't tolerate the smell. Since I bought it, I'm using it, but otherwise I can't tolerate the smell. I don't know why. The smell is very even in my blocked nose I can smell it. You can understand how I feel in days I don't have a blocked nose. Clean thoroughly. I should have worked on my neck more. Let's see. Cotton. Sometimes I did that 7 times toner thing that has been going around. I think was in the last month or maybe last year, but it really works, you know. But not with this toner. I can't do it 7 times with this toner. I used to do it with my VLCC Rose toner, and it was really good. So as you can see, the face is clear, really clear. Now is the time for toner. For toner, I meant to say serum. This is the serum. I think yeah, this is the Olay Regenerist Night Renewal Elixir. As you can see, I've really finished it. It has really improved my skin. And unfortunately, this thing is not available in India. I got it from strawberrynet.com, and it was in the unboxed section. Like it didn't came in a box. In fact, it didn't came with a cover also. That's the cover of some other bottle. I just keep it there. But it was what, 740. I don't think I can get an Olay full size Olay day cream or a night cream in that price, because even and that to the the ordinary 7 sign step one. I think that one is not so cheap as I got this cheap. So I went to the site, I think yesterday, and I saw that they have again restocked it. That's one problem with strawberrynet.com. It's like you have to buy whatever they are selling. You can't really choose and buy. Like, you have to sit. If you have a favorite product, you have to keep in touch every day, and just when it is in stock, you buy it. The shipping is not that much. I think $5, and if you're the first time, it's free. So maybe I'll be ordering next month. Let's see how this runs. This is a little tacky as it gets absorbed. Now for my lips, I am using this. If you are again following me on Instagram, you have seen in many of my flat lays. This is a whitening lip balm, and it has really kind of diminished my dark lips in the corner. I had the dark lips on the outside and lighter on inside, and this has given it a even tone. It's not that moisturizing, I'll say, because it's a little thick. It kind of forms a coat. So if my lips are feeling really dry, I generally apply another lip balm over it. Okay, for my eyes, I am using the VLCC Almond Under Eye Cream. Again, a good eye cream. I have a tendency for dark under eyes, because I wear glasses and my eyes tend to look dark, and this has kept it to a long extent really minimal. I just hope, I can't see without my glasses. I just can't. So I hope I have to kind of it has all blended and everything. That's that. Now that I give a little bit time for the serum to sink in, now that it has sinked in, I'll be using the Olay Anti-Aging Night Firming Cream as my night cream. Sometimes after toning, I use a mask, generally hydrating mask, or if I'm having any issues, I use specific to that issue. Like if I'm having red like dullness, I use a brightening mask, and depending on how my skin is behaving that particular day, I use the mask. But I don't use a mask regularly. I think I use it once or twice a week, not more than that. I have used one. I have not kind of reviewed it also. Again, if there is some portion where the cream has not been blended in, don't mind, because I am practically doing it blindly. So done. Now for my lids. For my legs, I am loving this one. This fuchsia peppermint mint based foot cream. Again, I have very bad and dry feet as with my rest of my body, so use them on my feet, and I love the smell. Even with my blocked nose, I can smell the peppermint. Just a minute. This is the hand cream I'm using. I got it 3 set and really good price. This is the Honey Mania, and it smells great. Like whenever I use it, my husband says, "Oh, what you have used?" Like other times, he's least bothered or cared what I'm using. Step left is a sleeping mask, and I am using the Ultimate Moisturizing Honey Overnight Mask by Cosrx. I don't know exactly how to kind of spell it. This is a Korean skincare brand, very renowned Korean skincare brand, and this is the sample size. I got I think 10 of these samples. Each of it has 1/2 ml product, enough for a day, one time application, and I got it from this website called cosmeticlove.com. It's a Korean based obviously website, and they stock all leading brands and have fantastic offers. It looks like this, fantastic offers and everything. And what I love about that is that they have the samples of all the most of the brands, and especially the costly brands like Sulawesi and Laneige and this one. So if you can't afford, like, don't want to buy the full size product and then find out that it's not working for you, I'll suggest that you go for this sample size products, and then see if this works, and then maybe save money to buy the bigger one. So that concludes my nighttime ritual. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, give the video a thumbs up. See you till next time. Bye.